Good morning students. Let me start today our lesson number 12 of MSc, that is do good. Clear? Let me explain you the story. Lord Krishna wanted to know if the king of his land were wise. So one day he called Duryodhana. This is a story from Mahabharata. All of you must have heard Mahabharata, no? The story of Mahabharata. So Lord Krishna once wanted to know about the king of his area. Clear? So he called Duryodhana. Duryodhana was a cruel man, as you all know. Duryodhana was a cruel man, and the people in his kingdom feared him. So Lord Krishna told Duryodhana to travel throughout the kingdom and find out if there is any good person living there. As Duryodhana himself is a very cruel person, and the people in the kingdom, in his kingdom, the people are afraid of Duryodhana very much. So Lord Krishna called Duryodhana and told him to find out a person who is very good in his country or in his kingdom. Clear? This is Krishna called Duryodhana and told him to find out a person who is very good. Clear? Then Duryodhana obeyed Lord Krishna and began his journey. He found many people and spoke to them about many things. After a long time, Duryodhana returned to Lord Krishna and said, so Duryodhana obeyed Lord Krishna and he began to start his journey and try to find out the people who are good. Clear? Try to find out a good person. Then after a few days, he returned to Lord Krishna and said that, Lord, I have done what you commanded me and searched the whole world for one truly good person. I could not find any such person. Each one I made was selfish and evil-minded. A truly good person cannot be found anywhere. So, what he was saying to Lord Krishna that, Lord, I go through the country, go to the kingdom, and I searched for the whole world for a true person, truly good person. But I could not find anyone of such good person. Each one is very selfish, evil-minded, and they are very bad. Clear? No one is truly called as good. Then Lord Krishna sent Duryodhana on his way and called King Dharmaraja to see him. Afterwards, Krishna sent back Duryodhana and called another king named Dharmaraja to meet him. Dharmaraja was a kind man. Dharmaraja was a very kind man, and he always tried to help his people. And the people loved and respected him very much. Clear? So Lord Krishna said to Dharmaraja, I want you to take up a journey throughout all the land and find one truly evil person. Clear? So, what he have to find a truly evil person. And Duryodhana what Lord Krishna told? To find a good person. And to Dharmaraja is telling that find a evil person. Dharmaraja, as you wish, my lord. And like Duryodhana, he also went on a long journey. After many days, Dharmaraja came to Lord Krishna and said, my lord, I travel all over the world and search for a truly evil person, but I could not find anyone. I found that people make mistakes and they act as if they are blind, but I could not find a truly evil person. The people are all good in their hearts. So after a few days, what happened? Dharmaraja again come back, and he said to Krishna that I travel all over the world and search for a truly evil person, but I could not find anyone. So Dharmaraja also could not find a truly evil person. What he found was, like, people may make mistakes, they act like blind as if they can't see anything, but he, Dharmaraja, could not find a truly evil person. The people are all good in their hearts. So what type of people he found? He found people having a good heart. But as you know, Duryodhana, what type of people he found? He found people with evil mind. Clear? So if you are a good person, you will see good in the world. If you are a bad person, you will see only bad in the world. So what is the moral of this story? That if you are good, you will find good in others. But if you are not good, you are bad person, then you only see whatever the negative things in the people. This is the message of the story of Duryodhana and Dharmaraja. Duryodhana was a very weak person, very bad person, very cruel person. So he could not see any good in any people. He could not find any good thing in any people. But Dharmaraja was a very good person. So he believed in goodness of others and he found good things in people. So this is about us. हमारे बारे में है ये. If we are good, we will find good in others. But if we are bad, we will find bad in others. That is depend on the person. What type of person you are, that is all depends on कि हमको दूसरों में क्या ढूंढना है. Whether you will find good or you will find bad, it is all depend on you only. So we must try to find good in others. There is no person without any goodness in them. We should not consider others as useless or weak because everybody has got something good in them. So what we have to find? We have to find good in others always. Clear? So every person has some good things also. ऐसा नहीं कि हम हमेशा किसी की में बुराइयाँ होती है. There is गुडनेस इन एवरीवन. सभी में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छाइयाँ होती हैं, बुराइयाँ हर किसी में होती है. बट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द गुडनेस इन अदर्स. सो वी शुड नॉट कंसिडर अदर्स एज यूजलेस और वीक बिकॉज एवरीबडी हैज़ गॉट समथिंग गुड इन दैम. सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं, अच्छी सोच होती है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द गुड इन अदर्स. ऐसा नहीं कि हम खाली बुराइयाँ ढूंढे दूसरों में. क्लियर? सो सम पीपल ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड द मिस्टेक्स ऑफ अदर्स. दिस इज द नेचर ऑफ सम पीपल ना. और दे ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड मिस्टेक कि इसमें ये खराबी है, ये ऐसा अच्छा नहीं है. बट वॉट यू हैव टू डू? वी मस्ट फाइंड सम good positive side of a person. They are like mosquitoes. Mosquitoes drink only blood. Even if we give them milk, they will not drink it. We should be like honeybee. Clear? Which honey collect only honey. Clear? We should not be like mosquitoes. We always be like honeybee. So what is the example all given? Because if you give milk to mosquitoes, they will not take it. They only drink that is blood. So don't be like mosquito, be like a honeybee because it only collects the honey. Like a honeybee, we should see only good in others. We should learn to say congratulations to others for their good work. When we love and respect others, we will also get love and respect from others also. Clear? So if someone learn to say congratulations to others in their good work and in their achievement, that will give love and respect to you also. Clear? If you give love and respect to others, that will come back to you in one way or other. So what is the story all about? This is the story all about that find good in others. Always don't try to find out negative things. Clear? So do good. This is the lesson. Do good. The question answers are here. There are 4 question answers, 3 long answers and 3 blanks are there. And with this explanation, I will send you the PDF also. You copy the PDF, question answers, blanks, everything in your notebook. Clear everyone? So take care everyone.